Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through reactivating your GoHighLevel GHL subaccount, restoring both access and billing. A subaccount in GHL is a secondary account under a primary agency account used for managing individual clients or teams. Sometimes these accounts get deactivated, usually due to billing issues or policy violations. This video will walk you through the steps to get back up and running. Before we reactivate, let's quickly cover why subaccounts get deactivated. The most common reason is unpaid bills, such as an expired credit card. Other reasons include account inactivity, with no logins for 90 days, or violations of GoHighLevel's terms of service, like spam complaints or excessive API calls. Knowing the cause helps prevent future issues. Step 1. Accessing the reactivation portal. First, log into your primary GoHighLevel account at app.gohighlevel.com. This is the main agency account, not the subaccount itself. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings section, usually found in the lower left corner of the dashboard. From there, select Subaccounts to see a list of all your subaccounts. In the Subaccounts list, locate the subaccount you want to reactivate. It should be marked with a status like deactivated or suspended. Click on the name of the deactivated subaccount to view its details. Pay attention to the stated reason for deactivation, as this often indicates the steps you'll need to take. If the deactivation reason is billing related, you'll need to address that first. Look for a section related to billing or payment methods within the subaccount details. Update your payment information with a valid credit card or other accepted payment method. Ensure the card has sufficient funds. After updating, try initiating the reactivation process. With any billing issues now resolved, the next step is to initiate the reactivation process. In your GoHighLevel dashboard, look for a Reactivate button or similar option for the subaccount. Click this button to start reactivation. You may be prompted to confirm your current billing details or agree to GoHighLevel's terms of service. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to complete this step. If the button is unavailable or the process fails, proceed to the next step of contacting GoHighLevel support. Once your subaccount is reactivated, start by logging in to verify that everything is working correctly. Use your subaccount credentials to access the dashboard. Next, verify that all your data, funnels, and other features are accessible. Look through your CRM contacts, marketing funnels, and workflows to ensure no data was lost during deactivation. To avoid future problems, enable auto-renewal in your billing settings. This ensures your payment method is charged automatically, preventing billing lapses that could lead to deactivation. Make it a habit to regularly monitor your subaccounts. Check for billing warnings, login issues, or any feature problems to address them before they escalate. For agencies managing multiple subaccounts, consider using GoHighLevel's billing API for programmatic checks. This allows automated monitoring of billing status and can alert you to potential issues. Congratulations! You've successfully reactivated your GoHighLevel subaccount and implemented best practices to keep it running smoothly.